Good evening, class. So today I will show you how to create a user ID in USGS, which is required for to download the different kind of satellite data like a Landsat, Sentinel, your digital elevation model (DM). So at first you need to create a user ID in the USGS account. Okay. To create the account in USGS, at first we need to go for a search engine like a Google Chrome. After type here USGS. After USGS, you have seen the EarthExplorer usgs.gov is open. So click here. After clicking, go to the login page. So since I have a account, that's why it is come by default my ID and password. All of you are the new; those are new. You need to create a new account. So to create a new account, you need a username. The username must be put to 30 character and may contain alphabetic number and maybe contain the following special character. For the password, you must be in 12 to 16 4 character. So at first choose a username like I am choosing. This is my user ID. Then choose a password. Password may be minimum 12 length. Again repeat the password. After repeating the password is not matched. So be careful to create the password. Okay, so again you need to type the password. Hope password is corrected. Why I am uh, given the firstly wrong? Because to know you, so it is better before create the user ID and password, write your pen or notebook the username and password. After that create it. Okay, it is very helpful. Then check the for confirming you are not a robot. Then go to the continue. Okay, so you can save the password or you can skip it. Now, in which sector do you work? So all about have a students. Choose the academic institution. Which of the following are you looking for on the behalf of US federal? No. Which of the following characteristic you as a user remotely sends data from USGS? Okay, so please check the we or are a end user apply data or product derived from the data to accomplish my work including scientific research and education. So check here. After that, do we, does your work use remotely sends data from the USGS? Yes. So after that, how many is it required? Okay, so you can choose 0 to 100%. So you are the beginner, like a in your work like a 30% you can use the USGS data. So after that, which is the primary application for which you have used the remote sense data from the USGS in the past year? So you can use any of the product. For this I am using the uh, urban planning and development. Okay, then in addition to the primary application, in which area you have remotely sensed data from the USGS past year, if you use then check it, otherwise I have not used other area. Okay, then it is required other application. If you have a other application, you can type here or you can skip it. Down select a distribution. So none of the data or literally some of the data, must all of the data. Where now over the next step, how much you have the data since required from USGS distribution. So none of the data because you are the new user. Select the excess important. Okay, so type here very important or somehow important. Then go to the continue the contact information. Okay, after that you need to your first name. Okay, last name, organization like a have type here IIT ISM Dhanbad. then address 1 like a Dhanbad, okay, address 2 like a Jharkhand, then country India, choose here the country of uh, okay, then go to the city also Dhanbad, state again Jharkhand, postal code 826004, okay. So your email ID, you can use your institute email ID, you can use your personal email ID, then retype the email ID, you can use your alternative email ID. Now telephone is must required, so type here your mobile number. After that save the contact information. After confirm information you need to review and submit. Then after that you have get a mail from the USGS and check the mail, okay, and confirm it. After that you can open the USGS account to uh, acquire the data. Thank you, hope you have understand how to create the user ID and password. If you have any doubt, any query, you can text me.